Adobe Premiere, is Adobe Premiere good for beginners? Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software developed by Adobe Inc. It is widely used in the film, television, and media industries for its robust features and seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features, pros, cons, known issues and fixes, as well as some advanced tips. Features *1. Nonlinear editing *Premiere Pro allows for non-destructive editing, meaning edits can be made without altering the original source files. 2. Timeline-based interface *. Its timeline offers precise control over video and audio tracks, enabling complex editing workflows. 3. Multi-format support * Premiere Pro supports a wide range of video formats, resolutions, and frame rates, including high definition and 4K footage. 4. Integration with Adobe Creative Cloud * seamlessly integrates with other Adobe software such as After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition for comprehensive post-production workflows. 5. Color correction and grading * offers powerful color grading tools, including the Lumetri color panel, for enhancing and adjusting the look of your footage. 6. Audio editing * features robust audio editing capabilities, including audio effects, track mixing, and synchronization with video. 7. Effects and transitions * provides a vast library of built-in effects, transitions, and presets for adding visual enhancements to your videos. 8. Motion graphics templates * allows for the creation and customization of motion graphics templates within Premiere Pro or through Adobe Stock. 9. Collaboration tools * supports collaboration through shared projects and integration with Adobe Team projects for real-time collaboration among team members. Pros *1. Professional grade editing * Premiere Pro offers a comprehensive set of tools and features for professional video editing, making it suitable for a wide range of projects, from simple video clips to full-length films. 2. Integration with Creative Cloud * seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications streamlines the post-production workflow, allowing for smooth transitions between editing, graphics creation, and audio processing. 3. Regular updates * Adobe regularly updates Premiere Pro with new features, performance improvements, and bug fixes, ensuring that users have access to the latest tools and capabilities. 4. Extensive community support * Premiere Pro has a large and active user community, providing access to tutorials, forums, and online resources for learning and troubleshooting. Cons *1. Subscription model * Premiere Pro is available only through Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, which may not be cost-effective for some users, especially freelancers or hobbyists. 2. Steep learning curve * due to its extensive feature set, Premiere Pro has a steep learning curve for beginners, requiring time and effort to master. 3. Performance issues * Premiere Pro can be resource-intensive, leading to performance issues on less powerful hardware, especially when working with large projects or high-resolution footage. Known issues and fixes *1. Crashes and stability issues * Premiere Pro may experience crashes or stability issues, often related to hardware compatibility or software bugs. Keeping the software updated and ensuring compatibility with system requirements can help mitigate these issues. 2. Playback and rendering problems * users may encounter playback or rendering issues, such as dropped frames or stuttering playback. Updating graphics drivers, optimizing project settings, and using proxies for high-resolution footage can help improve performance. 3. Audio sync issues * sometimes, audio may become out of sync with video during editing. Manually adjusting audio synchronization or using the synchronize feature can help resolve this issue. Advanced tips for choosing and using *1. Hardware requirements * consider your hardware specifications, including CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage, to ensure smooth performance with Premiere Pro. Investing in a powerful workstation or upgrading hardware components can enhance your editing experience. 2. Workflow optimization * learn keyboard shortcuts, customize workspace layouts, and utilize features like proxy editing and render previews to optimize your editing workflow and increase productivity. 3. Color management * understand color management principles and use proper color workflows, such as working in a color-managed environment and calibrating monitors, to ensure accurate color reproduction in your videos. 4. Project organization * maintain a well-organized project structure, including folder organization, file naming conventions, and project backups, to streamline collaboration and prevent data loss. Alternatives *1. DaVinci Resolve * a powerful video editing software, available in both free and paid versions, offering advanced features for professional editing workflows. 2. Final Cut Pro X * Apple's video editing software, known for its intuitive interface, optimized performance on Mac OS, and seamless integration with other Apple products and services. 3. Avid Media Composer **, a widely used professional editing software in the film and television industry, offering comprehensive tools for editing, media management, and collaboration. 4. Hit Film Pro **, a video editing and visual effects software, featuring a wide range of effects and compositing tools, suitable for both editing and motion graphics work. When choosing a video editing software, consider your specific needs, budget, workflow preferences, and compatibility with your existing hardware and software ecosystem. Trial versions or demos of different software can help you evaluate their features and determine the best fit for your projects.